StockMarketFunding.com. This is after hours report on IBM. IBM reported its earnings exceptionally well because it did. And IBM ran up $2.36 in anticipation of this great, wonderful report. Why is SMF Pro Trading staff and all the Pro Trading students a short seller in IBM? Well, it's very simple to tell you that IBM has on a weekly is 92.61% on a percent DS overbought, and we're making all-time highs. We're not saying there's nothing wrong with IBM. What we are saying is that this great report is priced in the equity. And basically you got to understand when the great news is priced in. We're 91% overbought on a monthly DS. It's never been this overbought on a monthly. And we took a small short in after hours trading. We are making $1. We started to come out of it at 133.12, 133.06, 133.08 right in here. And up here we started covering some shares. Why was this short successful? Is because IBM is extremely overbought. The news is basically priced in the equity. And we're teaching people how to trade earnings season in after hours and understand that the bellwether, which it is, no one is saying that there's anything wrong with the equity or the stock trend. It's very strong, one of the strongest out here. But you need to know that they beat by 12 cents a share, and we're making $1 on that short. And as it falls on its great earnings report, we are making money on that. It was already priced to perfection. Yes, $205 million went into the equity, but we teach you here about how to apply a very sophisticated, professional way of doing things during the earnings season and how to quantify these great numbers that came out when the stock closed at 134.14 and it's falling, and we are short. As it falls, we make more money, and we will continue to short it tomorrow morning. The number on IBM was that they beat by 12 cents a share. No problem there. Revs were above consensus. They guided fiscal year 10 EPS to the high end of the prior range, above consensus. They did this on Intel, gave one of the greatest reports too, and Intel had sold off into the earnings. And we are short. We covered a little bit. We're going to keep letting it fall. Remember, you had to understand that it ran up anticipation of that. So that is the earnings report on IBM, and how we are making a lot of money as the stock falls on that great earnings report. It is falling. That means when you sell short and the stock price falls, you make money. And it takes a great level of expertise that we teach people daily, quarter after quarter after quarter, of going through these earnings, when they're priced in and when they're not. And so we're making about $1, I would say $1.10 or $1.30, $1.40 on that short. And you can see the prints going off here. Learn, buy the rumor, sell the news. That's only a statement. It takes a lot more to that, and we'll be taking our profits right here in front of you. And as we cover all of these shares that you see going off, we're getting paid on that trade. We'll update you at a later date. www.stockmarketfunding.com. Come to our Pro Trading School. Take our free 5-day trial. Let us show you the truth before it happens. We did this before it happens. We have other tapes that you can look at that said on our Sunday training session that we would be shorting at the close. We did. We made the move. Plus, we bought it going long. So we made the move off the bottom up, and we made the move shorting that great earnings report. As I said, nothing wrong with the earnings other than they were priced in and you're overbought.